Thinking about Beyblade for your kids' Christmas gifts? Let's get some ideas from these orders I'm packing. B193 Ultimate Valkyrie is currently one of our best-selling items, but it is a booster set, meaning it won't come with a launcher. So you'll need to get a launcher if you don't have one. Either a right spin launcher or an LR launcher. A custom BeyLauncher will be a good choice. This one I'm packing is a Power Custom BeyLauncher LR. I upgraded it for my buyer at no extra cost. Watch the video afterward to see why. So what Beyblade products you have got, or plan to get for your kids or loved ones this year? Share in the comments, so that other viewers can refer to your ideas. The upcoming orders I'm about to pack might provide you with more ideas too. If you're considering Beyblade X products, similar to Beyblade Burst, in addition to the Beyblade itself, you'll also need a launcher. You cannot use Beyblade Burst launcher to launch a Beyblade X Bey. Take this order as an example. The buyer got the BX20 deck set, which consists of 3 Beyblades without any launcher, so he probably got the BX15 starter set, because it comes with a winder launcher, and then BX11, the launcher grip. It's not a must, but it will come in handy to perform a stable launch and look cool to use too. Up to this point, we still don't have a left spin Bey in the Beyblade X generation, so you'll only get either a right spin winder launcher or a string launcher. Recently, there's this entry launcher which you can only get from the BX22 set as of now. Take note that you cannot attach it to the grip. Learn more from my BX22 unboxing video. Besides Beyblades and launcher, you'll also want to get an Extreme Stadium to optimize the features and fun of your Beyblade X experience, which I don't have any to show here, but you may obtain from either BX7, 10, or 17. But don't battle the Beyblade Burst Beys on an Extreme Stadium, which may deal damage to the drivers. Purchase from reliable sellers, who are willing to explain things to you. If you are on a tight budget, you can start with a starter set. Like this one, this is BX02 Hell Scythe. By getting one or more starter sets, you already have the Beyblades and launchers to start with. You can still use a Beyblade Burst Stadium, of course, but the Beyblade X features won't be fully optimized. You may also want to explore Beyblade Burst products with the potential to increase in value, or those that are becoming rarer in the market, similar to the orders I'm about to pack right after this.